Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again to our classes. Today we are in page 153. We are going to divide it into two. Inshallah, we're going to divide it into A and B. Okay, so let's get started. Remember, we're still doing the rules of Nun-SAKNA and Tanween, and today we are doing Ikhfaa. Okay, since we're doing Ikhfaa, just remember, before we start doing Ikhfaa, you have to know where the letters of Ikhfaa comes from in your mouth. Okay, remember Sod. Okay, where does Sod come from in your mouth? As-so-su-si. Remember the exercise we did? As-so-su-si. Okay, and Ikhfaa means to hide or to conceal or to cover up something. So Ikhfaa here, we are going to hide the Nun, but the process of hiding the Nun is going to take place where the Sod is. Okay, so as-so-su-si, remember that is where the Ikhfaa is going to take place. So how do we read this one? So here is the way we read it. We say Mansura, Mansura. Listen carefully. I did not say Mansura. If I say Mansura, it becomes Idh-haar. If I say Masura, if I don't pronounce the Nun, I just go straight from the Mim to the Sad, it becomes Id-ghaam, and we don't want Idh-haar or Id-ghaam. What we want is Ikhfaa. Okay, we just want to hide it. Okay, not eliminate it. Okay, so what do we say? Mansura. Okay, and you have to hold here like 2 to 3 seconds. Okay, Mansura. Okay, Mansura, or you can say Mansuran. Okay, second one here, Min Siyamin, Min Siyamin. Okay, then last one here we say Amalan Saliha, Amalan Saliha. Okay, Mansura, Min Siyamin, Amalan Saliha. Okay, now let's go to that. Remember, what did we say? We said you look where dhal comes from in your mouth. The try to prolong the sound so that it will run in your mind where the dhal comes from. Okay, so the place where dhal comes from is where Ikhfaa is going to take place. Remember, we don't want to say tun, we don't want to hear the nun, or we don't want to eliminate it, like skipping the Nun. Okay, reading from the ta to the dhal. We don't want that. We want to preserve presence of the Nun a little bit from the place of the dhal. Okay, I'm sorry, it might look very complicated or intimidating, but no, it's very, very easy. Okay, tundirhum, tundirhum. Okay, this ra is going to be light because there's a kasri behind it. Okay, remember that. tundirhum وَمِن ذُرِّيَّتِي, وَمِن ذُرِّيَّتِي. Okay, there's a ra with a shadda and ya with a shadda. Okay, وَمِن ذُرِّيَّتِي. Okay, ظِلٍّ ذِي ثَلَاثِ, ظِلٍّ ذِي ثَلَاثِ. You can hear the sound of the Nun a little bit, but not completely. You cannot hear the n sound. Okay, the process of Idh-ghaam is going to take place where the dhal comes from. Okay, remember that. تُنذِرْهُمْ وَمِن ذُرِّيَّتِي ظِلٍّ ذِي ثَلَاثٍ. Okay, you can pause whenever we read a box so that you can practice it. Okay, now let's go to tha. Okay, we have tha here. Remember, what did we say? You look in your mouth, or you try to find out where tha comes from in your mouth. Ath-tha-thu-thi, ath-tha-thu-thi. So the process of Ikhfaa is going to take place at the place of tha. Okay, we don't want to hear the Nun, remember that, and we don't want to eliminate it completely. Okay, so what do we say here? Al-hinthi, al-hinthi, al-hinthi. Okay, pause it, practice it. Min thamara, min thamarah, min thamaratin, min ثمرة. Okay, pause it, practice it like 10 times, 20 times. يومئذ ثمانية. يومئذ ثمانية. Remember التاء مربوطة. This is a meme, okay? يومئذ ثمانية. إذن ثمانية. Remember, the process of إخفاء is taking place at the tha, okay? The place of tha, where it comes from in your mouth. Okay, so pause it, repeat it. الحنث من ثمرة يومئذ ثمانية. Okay, now let's go to the last one here. It is kaf. Okay, remember, where does kaf come from in your mouth? Akakuki. Akakuki. Okay, so the process of ikhfa is going to take place at the ak, that place. Okay, and we need to hear a little bit of an element of the nun. Okay, ankalan, ankalan. Okay, if you want to say the word uncle, okay, uncle, okay, you can do tajweed there on that word. Okay, so ankalan, ankalan. Pause it, repeat it. Man kasaba, man kasaba. This one is very, very easy. If you can say the word monkey, you can say this one. Okay, monkey. We can do tajweed. Man kasaba, man kasaba. Okay, and remember, what did we say about two letters which comes from your nose? Mim and nun. So when you say the man, the sound is not coming from your mouth, rather it's coming from your nose. Man kasaba. Okay, so pause it and repeat it. Malakun kareem. Malakun kareem. Kun kareem. Malakun kareem. Inshallah, pause it, repeat it, make sure it's easy before you go to the other ones. Okay, inshallah, I hope it's easy. Ma'asalama. See you in the next half. Thank you for watching.